Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly assemble and seal the mainframe prior to installation. I'm going to begin by removing the fastener covers, track inserts, and sill riser adapter so we can properly assemble and seal the mainframe. Before I can assemble and seal the frame, I'll need to remove the tape and take off the fastener covers, track insert, and sill riser adapter. I'm going to start off by locating one of the jambs. At the top of the jamb, if it's cut flush like this, that is the top of the jamb. Here is the bottom of the jamb. We can see this leg extends all the way to the bottom of the jamb. Looking at this is the right jamb, always outside looking in. The first step is to locate your assembly screws provided in the parts box. We're going to use these screws to attach the jamb to the track. I'm going to clean the frame. I'm going to use the appropriate sealant and attach the jamb to the track. For best practices, hand tighten the assembly screws to prevent damage to the frame. Once tightened, apply sealant to the heads of the assembly screws and to the seam where the two frames come together. I'm going to follow the same processes, attaching this jamb to the header as well as the other jamb to the track and header of the mainframes. To recap, I'm now showing you how to assemble and properly seal the mainframe. In the next video, I'm going to install the mainframe and set the panels into the mainframe.